my beautiful Russian learners, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, меня зовут Chris, my name is Chris, приятно познакомиться, and I create videos here and on Patreon page that will help you to learn Russian language in fun, interesting, and very effective way. And today I finally want to announce something I've been having in mind for a pretty long time. To be honest, that is the thing I hope somebody was doing with Japanese, cause I'm learning Japanese and I'm suffering, and that is 3 weeks WhatsApp Russian marathon with tasks every day and reviews from me, of course, and 3 live meetings during the process. Let me explain you what it is. When you learn a new language, the best way and the easiest way to do it is to use this language. But since we are living in different parts of the world, sometimes that might be hard. That's why not to use modern technology in order to get Russian immersion as close as possible. On WhatsApp, we will have a group of 10 Russian learners, and every day you will get an interesting task that you will need to perform in Russian. Sometimes you will need to write something, sometimes you will need to send an audio message, sometimes the video message, sometimes you will need to Skype with one of the participants, and all of the other cool things. Every day I will send you a certain task to do. For example, покажи последнюю фотографию на твоем телефоне и расскажи о ней. Or, что ты ел, ела сегодня на завтрак? Какие там были ингредиенты? Или покажи твое любимое место в твоем городе и расскажи о этом месте. And many other different things. For every task, of course, you will have the task itself in Russian plus the explanation in English, sometimes with no explanation in English, but that is closer to the end of the marathon. You will have 24 hours to basically answer, to do the task. All other participants will comment on each other's answers, ask extra questions. So my goal and my wish and my dream for 3 weeks to create a certain environment for you guys where you feel like you are basically living in Russia with using Russian as much as possible. And I hope you will feel this supportive atmosphere from other participants and from me personally. And that will really help you to learn further and using old knowledge you already have, because if you don't use the things you learn, little by little they disappear from our memory, sadly. And plus, every week at the weekend we will have a live meeting for 2 hours every meeting. We'll have a little theme for every meeting where you will need to prepare some things we will discuss. Plus, you will have a chance to ask me any questions on grammar, vocabulary, maybe you saw some corrections you didn't really understand. So you will have live one-on-one feedback from me. You'll have a chance to ask me any questions you want. And also we will have some topics related to different tasks we were discussing during the week that we will talk together live on Zoom. Previously, I have already organized a marathon, plus I organized some online courses, and that was amazing. And then I thought, why not to combine these two things? So that is like a Russian marathon plus some live meetings in it that will help you to make this marathon even more productive for you. So now let's go into details. I even have a little list here. I told you this marathon will be for 3 weeks. We will start on February 21st and finish on March 13th. So the marathon itself will be 3 weeks long with live meetings on 26th, 5th and 13th. Their group will be 10 people max, because I want to give all their attention to every participant, and I really want to keep this cozy atmosphere in their group. Speaking about level, it can be almost any level. Well, basically you will need to read Russian letters, know maybe 100 plus words. plus know a little bit of grammar, and that would be enough to start. And of course, during the marathon, you will improve. For advanced students, you are also absolutely welcome because everyone can perform the tasks on the level of their knowledge of Russian. And when I put you in one-on-one groups for Skype calls, I will combine students with similar levels so you don't feel stressed and overwhelmed. Speaking about the price, the whole marathon with everything included is $75. But the first 4 participants who would subscribe to the marathon, for them the cost will be $65. I am really excited to start this marathon soon, and I hope to see you there, guys. It would be so great to see you all in person, and I hope to see you very soon. Хорошего дня и до скорого! Пока-пока!